Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term group rates normally used in transportation and logistics. Group rates are established on two different patterns. One, through the use of base points with a distance scale determining different rate groups, and the second one is under commodity rate structures, which group commodity produces and manufacture in a geographic area which will receive the same rate. Under the second system, all salt field, for example, throughout the country may be grouped together geographically, and a shipment from any salt mine to a destination will receive the same rate. Group rates tend to encourage dispersion of manufacturing facility and thus have a long-term beneficial environmental impact, but all depends upon the kind of product and the gap between supply and demand. These group rates may be used. More specifically, in the road transport, these are applicable in the transportation. Thanks for watching. Bye.